Let's take a closer look at this vacuum. Actually, it's a backpack vacuum from Milwaukee. It's extremely handy. It will be cord-free. It's operated by battery. The battery simply gets placed underneath here. I had to buy the battery and charging pack separate because this unit simply didn't come with the battery. It's tool only. But I wanted to give you just a few ideas of how handy this is, and I will demonstrate it with that on my back in just a moment. But here we remove the container so that you can remove the debris. It has a built-in filter inside. It's extremely handy and easy to use. And I'm going to share the easiest and the most important feature that we have. You can clean your shops. You can get around just about anywhere you need to be without dragging a cord or your shop vac across the floor. We use this in our house. It's 75% tile. And before we can swift or tight mop the floor, we need to pick up just about every type of debris, and I found that using a vacuum like this works extremely well. So that's my tip. Also, with this backpack vacuum, you can see that it has the wand that you're going to be able to operate with, and you also need the attachments that come with it for just about any job that you could find. Let's just look at the wand that comes with it. You can see that it extends to any length you need once you want to put your features or your additional tools on the end. Okay, let's take a look at this installed. You can see that I have it on my back. It's very practical, very convenient. I have the wand that's on the side that I showed you earlier. You can extend it. It has two clasps here, very easy to use. One across your chest and one across your waist. It's all fully adjustable. It even has padded areas here for your hip areas. So you could wear this thing for quite a long time, which I can't imagine you would. So this is it. I highly recommend this backpack vacuum from Milwaukee.